Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to sync your Outlook calendar to Google Calendar. So do you need to stay on top of your schedule across both Outlook and Google Calendar? Now in this tutorial I'll show you how to sync your Outlook calendar to Google Calendar so your events appear in one place effortlessly. Now open your browser and go to outlook.live.com, and once you do that, sign into your Microsoft Outlook account. Now on the left hand sidebar, just go ahead and click on the calendar icon to open your calendar. Now let's grab the link you'll need to sync it to Google Calendar. In Outlook calendar, you're here, so I'd like you to select so now that you are in the calendar window, I'd like you to check the top right corner where you have the settings gear icon. So just go ahead and click on that and it takes you here. So now you have calendar, you're automatically in calendar because you are actually in calendar. And from all of these options, just go ahead and click on shared calendars, and once you click on shared calendars, it's going to take you here. Now under publish a calendar, you're going to see this. It says select a calendar. Now click on select a calendar. Now choose the calendar you want to sync from the drop down and set permissions to view all details and select publish. So the calendar that we have is calendar here. Just go ahead and click on select permissions to can view all details and select publish. Once you select publish, two links will appear. You have the HTML link for browser view. You have the ICS for that's the iCalendar, what we need. So click on ICS and just click on copy link copy. Thank you. So this ICS link is the bridge between Outlook and Google Calendar. Now let's head over to Google Calendar and plug that link. So just open a new tab and go to Google sorry about that. So now let's access Google Calendar. It's opening. So make sure that you're signed into the Google account where you want to sync the calendar. So now that we're here, block in the left sidebar. All right, so in the left sidebar you're going to find other calendars. So go ahead and click on the plus icon. So once you click on the plus icon that's right next to other calendars, go ahead and click on from URL. Now paste the ICS link you copied from Outlook. This is it. Then click add calendar, and your Outlook events will now appear in Google Calendar under other calendars. Should you now understand how that works? I'm going back, and other calendars you now see under calendars you have like this, and you have HTTPS Outlook Live. That's pretty much how it works. So that's pretty much how it works. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search. First, I'd like you to know that events may take a few minutes to sync. Google pulls data periodically, and you can rename or color code the synced calendar by hovering over it in the left sidebar and clicking the three dots menu. That also works for you. So I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.